Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. In the last class, we discussed some questions from 21st Jan 2026 first shift. Let's go remaining questions. Here, next question is if L1 and L2 are two parallel lines. Okay, so this L1 and L2 are two parallel lines. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then the area of a triangle ABC is. So we know area of a equilateral triangle formula, that is root 3 by 4 a square. Correct? Root 3 by 4 a square. So here we need to find this a square. Okay, for that, let A be the side of a triangle ABC. Okay, A be the side of a triangle ABC. So here, shall I construct one more time? L1 and this is L2. So here triangle A B C. Okay, A B C. In the question given, the length from L1 to C is equals to 6. Length between point C to L2 is equals to 3. So total distance between and L2, L1 and L2 is equals to 6 plus 3 is 9. So let here you consider on a straight line which is perpendicular to L1 and L2. Consider straight line which is perpendicular to L1 and L2. Okay. So it is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means each angle is equals to 60 degrees. Each angle is equals to 60 degrees. Then here um, side BC makes an angle theta. Side BC makes an angle theta. So side AB and this straight line makes an angle 30 minus theta. 30 minus theta. Why? Because so it is a right angle triangle. Okay. From here to here it is a right angle triangle. So minus theta and plus theta cancel. We get 30 plus 60 is equals to 90 degrees. Okay. So here 60 degrees means so this it becomes 60 plus theta. 60 plus theta. Why? Because it is a triangle. The sum of the all angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So here it is 90 degrees. Okay. So minus theta plus theta will be cancelled. We get 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. Okay. Sum of all angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So here what is the length here? 3 is the length. Length between C and L2. Length is equals to 3. Now consider sine theta is equals to sine theta. So this part sine theta is equals to this is the opposite side and this one is hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse 3 by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse here? Here A is the hypotenuse because A be the side of a triangle. Okay. Hypotenuse is A. And also here we consider sine 60 plus theta. This one 60 plus theta. So 60 plus theta means what is the opposite side here? 9 is the opposite side. Why? The distance between L1 and L2 is equals to 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 by side is hypotenuse is okay, side of a triangle hypotenuse is equals to A. Now observe this sine 60 plus theta is in the form of shall I write here? Okay, sine A plus B. Okay, sine A plus B. What is sine A plus B formula? Sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. Okay, so here sine 60 plus theta is given. Okay, sine 60 plus theta means direct sine 60 plus theta means sine 60 degrees into cos theta plus cos 60 degrees into sine theta. Okay. What is cos 60 degree value? What is cos 60 degree value? Root 3 by 2. Okay. Cos 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Shall I write here? Sorry. Yes. Cos 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. And this cos theta means no, we know cos theta. What is cos theta here? You know identity cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So cos theta is equals to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So into cos theta means square root of 1 minus sin theta is nothing but 3 by 9. 3 by 9 means sin square means 9 by a square. Okay. 3 by a means 9 by a square. Plus what is cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 into sin theta. Sin theta value is 3 by a. It is equals to 9 by 8. 9 by 8. So now observe here root 3 by 2 square root of applying cross multiplication we get a square by 9 by 8. Okay, square root cancel we get a plus 3 1 are 3 by 2 into a is 2a is equals to 9 by a. So here both side common term is a, so a is cancelled. So what is the remaining here? Root 3 square root of a square minus 9 plus 3 is equals to. So 9, 2 is the denominator, 9 to the 18. Okay. So root 3 square root of a square minus 9 is equals to 18. This plus 3 is transformed, so it becomes minus 3. So we get answer is 15 is the answer. Okay. What is the answer here? 15 is the answer. It is equals to 15. Now applying squaring on both sides, we get 3 of a square minus 9 is equals to 15 into 15. So 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. So what is the answer we get here? A square minus 9 is equals to 15 5 ja, 75. So a square is equals to 75 plus 9. So a square is equals to 70 plus 9 is 84. We get a square is equals to 84. But what is our question here? Area. Okay. Area of a triangle. So area of a triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 by 4 a square means 84. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 4 1. So our final answer is 21 root 3 square roots. Okay. 21 root 3. Where is the 21 root 3? So this is 21 root 3 is the answer. Clear. Next question is, what is the next question here? Yes. Sum of the roots of the equation, modulus of x minus 1 whole square plus, sorry, your equation is modulus of x minus 1 whole square. It is modulus, okay, whole square minus 5 of modulus of x minus 1 plus 6 is equals to 0. Okay. So here x minus 1, let you consider let modulus of x minus 1 is equals to st. Let consider x modulus of x minus 1 is equals to t. So here it is t square minus 5 of t plus 6 is equals to 0. Very simple quadratic form. Okay, t square minus 5t plus 6 is equals to 0 means what is the roots of this quadratic? Very simple. Roots are 2 comma 3. 2 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so t is equals to 2 comma 3 means here modulus of x minus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, and modulus of x minus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, modulus is nothing but plus or minus function. So x minus 1 is equals to plus or minus 2. X minus 1 is equals to plus or minus 3. Okay, now write separately x minus 1 is equals to plus 2 and x minus 1 is equals to, sorry, x minus 1 is equals to minus 2. Okay, and here also same. X minus 1 is equals to 3 and x minus 1 is equals to minus 3. So we get x is equals to 2 minus 1. It becomes plus 1. So 3 is the answer. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2 and plus 1 it becomes minus 1 and x is equals to 3 plus 1 4. Okay, x is equals to minus 3 plus 1 it becomes minus 2. What are the roots we get here? 3 minus 1 4 minus 2. So now what is the question here? Sum of the roots. What is the question here? Sum of the roots. So sum of the roots means 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and here minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. It is equals to 4. So 4 is the answer. Okay. So this is a numerical type question. Numerical type question. Okay. Numerical type question. Okay. Thank you for watching. The remaining questions continued in the next class.